Now, here's one thing that AI put to the forefront for us, is the difference between notions and concepts. Investors know that you will never, ever, ever get any money for a notion, but you can pitch a concept. The concept is the implementation of the notion. And that's actually where some of our advantage as human is that we can process notions. And so I gave an example of mathematical relaxation, where the notion is that relaxation is the art of finding the right answer by solving the wrong problem. And the relaxation solved by neural networks is a specific type, where the problem space, you can compare two problem space, the real problem and the wrong problem, and you can measure how close they are together. So actually what happens is that you solve here, use solution there, you get a new problem, solve here, apply it here, and until the two converge. So that creates a feedback loop between problem and solution until you get exactly the solution you want for your customer. AI is good at feedback loops. We can't beat AI or computers at that thing. But we can actually use those concepts in a wider constellation of problems than AI can. So that's that. If you're interested, I'm making a series. The title always starts with AI Reboot. Take care. Bye.